Hi there, I'm Miss Oblivious, and this is my assistant, Miss Obvious. You're meant to come in now. Has this ever happened to you? Nope. Yes. Well, here's a quick way to solve all your school door related problems. Step 1. Check if the door is to be opened with a push or pull. Step 2. If it's a pull, stand back so the door is unable to hit you while being open. If it's a push, stand in front of the door. Step 3. Place your hand on the door's handle. Step 4. Push down on the door's handle to open the door. Step 5. Pull or push the door to open it. It's not opening. Can we have someone to fix this door?
You know you're meant to push that door, right?
Of course I knew that.
No, you didn't.
Well, no one's going to know. Wait, is that microphone still on? Step 5. Pull or push the door to open it. Step 6. Walk through the open door. Step 7. Close the door. After watching my tutorial, you will now be able to successfully open doors.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Candace.
Candace who?
Can this door close on this episode?